So what is up, guys? Ben Root here, and today is the 4th of July. So we're gonna be going to see some fireworks tonight. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and you guys will see the fireworks in Midland for 2017. And also, I just want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. It's been a really good day for me. We've been celebrating today, and tonight we're gonna go watch fireworks, like I said. So it's about 7:30 right now, and at 9:30 or 10, I believe the fireworks are gonna start. So, I will come back with you guys when we get there, and then we'll watch the fireworks, and it'll be really cool. And also, about a week ago, I believe, I'll put it up on screen, but we hit 2,000 views, so that means so much, and so thank you guys, and hope we can continue growing. And I believe that you guys are really liking the MLB The Show videos, because I've been getting a lot of likes and views on those videos, so I'm definitely going to keep that up. And yeah, so see you guys when we get there. Oh yeah, this is definitely the finale.
This is the finale?
It has to be.
Yeah.